Hi guys, it's Weeded, and I'm going to turn these acrylic pour cabochons into pendants. Actually, I'm going to end up, I think, making magnets, whoops, out of the little ones, but these bigger ones I want to give as what I call token presents. Okay, this is just not a main gift, it's a little stocking stuffer, it's a little something extra, and because I'm not using good glass cabs, I just used some basically home decor for vases and that sort of thing. But they turned out just so gorgeous that what I'm going, and the bags are gorgeous too, that I am probably going to make some nice pendants using really nice glass, and those will go either into a bezel or I'll finish it with UV resin. Since these are little play pieces to test a concept, they turned out so nicely, I do want to use them. I am just going to put some nail polish over the paint. All I'm really trying to do is to protect this paint so that it's more wearable. And again, I consider this costume jewelry, so I'm not overly concerned with how I finish it. You could also use glossy accents, diamond glaze, anything like that. You just want to protect the paint on the back. So the other thing I should bring up, let's see if I can get it to focus. It comes up, the paint comes up a little bit on the sides and it's a little uneven, and I thought about I can just take an X-Acto knife and clean it up. But I'm going to leave it because I really do kind of like it. Now, it may eventually wear down until it gets to the nail polish area, but I'm really okay with that. It kind of shows how the pendant was made. And again, I teach at an art school, and these are going for gifts. Hopefully they won't see this video. Hopefully they'll have their pendants in hand before they see this. So the little quirkiness and the little odd things that say handmade are treasured. So I'm just going to take the nail polish, literally, if I can. My bottle's kind of low. I love using nail polish because it's something that is readily accessible to most people. We have it on hand. We don't have to go buy something. And there I am. I'm even doing the corners a little bit. But this is quick, it's easy, and I kind of need to have these ready for tomorrow. So the nail polish will dry. I will glue the bail on with E6000. And I think that, and I've got necklaces already, or I've got cords. I tend to use Chinese knots to make an adjustable length necklace, and then they can wear it whatever length they want. And I make it out of rat tail cording. So I will coat each one, and I may put a couple coats on so that it's a little extra durable. I'll let that dry, and probably in about 30 minutes or so I'll come back and put another coat on, and may even do 3 because this dries quickly. That was another benefit of going with the nail polish. It dries quickly, and I have got, I don't want to get anything in here. There we go. There. So that's a quick, easy way to finish them up. These really don't take long. The longest time was drying, and I let the pendants dry for 48 hours before I do anything. That way I make sure the paint is fairly well cured. And again, I am so happy with how these worked out. So that's it. And then once that's dry, I'll put bails on them and I will be good to go. I will turn these little ones into magnets. I don't know how well that's going to do. So this is kind of an acid test. I'll try to give an update video in a few months to see. My concern is that when I glue, and I don't think I can use this size magnet, well, I kind of could, but I'll probably use a smaller magnet. Just the constant pulling may be too much for the paint there. We'll see. We will see on that. But that's what I'm going to do with the little ones, and I will give you an update. So I hope you give this a try. I was extremely pleased with how well, and each one is different, each one is unique, it's a one-of-a-kind thing. I'm totally thrilled with it. So thank you guys. If you enjoyed this, if it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will have more. Bye.